Bust it up and make sure you break it. He owns the house. He owns the house. I rented from him. I was the one on the lease.
On the 15th of May, 2024, officers responded to a residential trespass call after family members asked that a woman be removed from a home she insisted was her residence. The agency and location are not identified in the footage.
Yeah.
What's
going on?
She is upstairs. My dad has a little lock on his door, and she was trying to kick in the door, and I just didn't damage to the apartment.
Okay. Stephanie, what's going on?
Come on up.
Why are you trying to break down the door?
Well, I know Bob Hines didn't put this lock on it,
Okay, David did.
but he doesn't own the house.
Okay, but
So he's allowed to make changes to it?
I mean, that's between
Come
him.
on up here and look.
That's between him and the
Bring your
landlord.
camera up here.
That's between him.
I already talked to the landlord.
Well, then the landlord needs to file a report. It's nothing that you can
This
do.
is stupid.
You can't kick down the door.
I wasn't going to kick the door. I was just kicking the lock.
You can't do that. You got to go.
I can.
Go. No, you can't.
Because if you kick it right
You can't.
there,
Yeah, you're
it
damaging
pops
it.
the lock
Yeah, you're damaging
out.
it.
Well,
Downstairs.
Who put it on?
Probably David. It's his right. He lives here. Go downstairs.
So do I.
You don't have residency. We talked about this.
I do.
Go downstairs.
My mail comes here. Do you want to see how much
Go
my mail was opened?
downstairs.
Do you want to see how
No,
much
I
of
don't.
my
Go
mail that
downstairs.
was opened while I was in jail?
Do you guys want her here?
Who cares? When we rented the place, it was Dave and me.
What happened? How did she? Did
And
she leave
so-
earlier?
No, I don't.
No, she didn't leave
No, she
earlier.
don't leave.
Okay.
We put her on a movie and she just went upstairs and started kicking the door.
I was
Okay.
just going upstairs for my own
Do you
belongings.
guys still want her here? Then?
I want my. Is that okay? You want to know the
Alright,
truth?
You need to leave. They don't want you here.
Alright, let's go.
Who cares?
They don't want you here. Let's go.
Doesn't matter. They're not on the lease.
Either you can go or we're taking you to jail for it.
Gonna take me to jail for it?
Let's go.
Yes.
We don't want to.
We don't want.
Wanna?
No, we don't want to take you over.
We don't
You
want to.
want to do this?
We just want you to leave.
I don't.
Don't. I mean, don't.
I'm scared.
No, then leave. You're,
Then get out of my house.
You're being recorded.
So are you.
I just want you to go downstairs. You need to leave.
Do you understand? Look at this bathroom. I haven't been here. Oh,
Hands behind your back. Hands behind your back.
this is
Hands.
my house, my place of residence. Bob Hines.
Hands. Just hold her right there for now.
The girls call.
Just
It's my house.
Just relax.
It's my house. Get out of 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 my house. My house.
Stop.
Get out of my house.
Use that alarm.
This
Stop.
is my place. My mail. My mail has been opened. My mail's been opened. While I was...
Hands behind your back. You're gonna get tased, Stephanie.
Have you been tased? Have you ever been tased? Guys?
Start us another unit.
Guys?
Go.
Just trying to get in my house.
Just let it go. Let it go. Let it go.
Don't ruin my sweater. It's one of the only pieces of clothing I own. Right?
You probably should have thought of that.
Really?
Hands behind your back.
It's my house. It's where I live.
Where are they at? Huh?
Get them off of me. Get them off of me, please.
She's in cuffs.
Please. I was just trying to get my own bedroom.
Hands behind.
I was trying to get my own bedroom.
Thanks. Can I borrow your gloved hands? Yeah, we need the toilet.
Huh?
We need something out of the toilet. Seriously.
Alright, I'll do it. I don't want to go down and
That's
get
fine.
kicked.
Alright, let's go. Let's go. Watch your legs. Bring your leg over. Bring your leg over around. broke. No, it's not broke.
It's broke.
Your leg's not broke. Stand
Broke.
up.
It's broke. My shoulder!
Then stand up.
Oh my god, my shoulder!
Then stand up. Stand up.
My house. All I wanted was my out of the bedroom.
Yeah, but you can't be kicking in the door. You don't live here.
I do. Where's my mail come? Do you want to see it opened downstairs?
Alright. Please stand up, or we're going to carry you out.
Do you want to see all the stuff
I don't
in
give
here
a fuck. I don't want to see anything. I want you to stand up.
Huh.
Are you going to stand up? Are you going to stand up so we don't have to carry you downstairs by your shoulders?
My leg was broke.
It's not broke. You literally were just climbing the toilet to get away from us and resist us.
You're in my house.
This is in
So
your house.
does that mean if the cops come in here to you, are you allowed to get away? Or are you just supposed to lay down and let them do it?
Are you leaving? Or are you going to stand up? Of course you're leaving. I don't know why I asked that. Let's go. Stand up. Stand up.
Are you me?
Nope, we're not.
You're me.
Luckily, there's
Me, my opinion, my house! It's mine! Ouch! Oh my god, my knee! You really just did it! For real!
Well, then why are you doing
Oh
that?
my god, my knee! You just took my knee out! Oh my god! Oh my god, my knee! My knee! My knee! My shoulder! My shoulder!
Are you going to walk?
Oh my god! You're hurting me!
Are you going to walk? Are you going to walk?
Oh my god, you're hurting me!
Are you going to walk?
You're hurting me! Ow!
Stand up.
My god!
Stand up. Stephanie, are you going to stand up? We're going to carry you out if you're not going to stand up.
My wrist! My wrist!
All right. Grab the
My
other shoulder.
wrist! My wrist!
We're going out. We're going up.
I'm a dental hygienist, you fucking ripped
Sit
my
up.
wrist!
Sit up. Stand up, please.
I can't!
Stand up.
I can't!
You can.
You tore my knee out!
Stand up.
You tore my knee out!
Stand up. Stand up or we're carrying you out. We're okay.
It's my house!
Stand
I
up.
was trying to get my own
They
bedroom!
said you haven't lived here in 11 days and you
There
weren't here
you
for
go,
6
God.
months in prison. Now stand up.
Did you just say I was in prison?
Jail, whatever.
Why? Do you want to see my
Stand up.
scar from that?
Stand up.
Where I got
stand up.
Stand up.
I can't.
Yes, you can.
You blew my knee out.
Then stand up with the other leg.
I've got ACL surgery on the other
Then
knee.
stand up.
Oh, there's 2 knees with ACL surgery.
We're just going to carry you out.
Yeah, well, that's okay. We got ACL surgery on 1 knee.
1, 2, 3.
My wrist. And I'm a dental hygienist. Oh my god.
Stand. There we go. Look at that.
Ow.
Standing up now. Stand up. Take her arm. Drop
Take
the
your
phone. I
arm
don't care about
and
the phone.
twist it. And twist it up. And make sure you break it. Bob told me I could be here. I talked to the landlord. Bob does have the right. He owns the house. He owns the house. He owns
Look at
the
those
house.
knees. Look at those knees working just fine.
Huh.
Back up a little.
Why do you want to arrest me so bad? You want me, don't you? Ouch! Oh my god. Oh my god.
If you haven't been advised of your rights, you have the right to remain silent.
Anything you can say will be held against you in
keep
the court
going.
of law.
Perfect.
You have the right to an attorney. If you can't afford one will
Sit her
be
down.
appointed to you.
Where's your car? Back it up here.
Call Bob Hines!
Stop yelling.
Call Bob Hines! I rented from him! I was the one on the lease!
Stop yelling.
Call Bob
All right, this is your last warning for disorderly.
Really?
Yep, you're being charged with resisting.
Really?
Trespass.
You put a sticker on it? Call somebody to help me.
You're going
Call
to jail.
somebody
There's no one
to
that's going to
help
help
me.
you.
No offense, I'm not an actor. I don't need a director. I'm just living my own life. You get it? I'm the director of my own life. Huh.
All right, you ready?
I wasn't
Open that
acting.
door.
I wasn't acting.
Carry this way so she can't spray this on.
Yeah. Yep.
Thanks, like.
Yeah.
Death row!
That's right. The records?
All right. You want the legs or the arm?
I don't care.
Are you going to stand up so we don't have to do this again? I'm going to ask you to stand up now.
Call Bob Hines!
I'm going to give you 2 more chances to
Call
stand
Bob
up.
Hines! I was the one that talked to him about renting this place!
All right.
It's these fools
The last chance to
that
stand
don't
up.
want me to live here!
Last chance to stand up. You're obviously under arrest.
Really?
Yep. All right, let's go.
Well, I hope all the video cameras around are saying it. Death row.
Hold on a second. Let me go around.
Daughtry,
1,
you know
2,
anybody in
3.
construction? He used to work for me.
Feeding.
There we go.
Yeah, when my
Feeding.
husband
Hold
had
on, I
just
gotta
gotten out of
double lock
jail.
these cuffs. Okay.
When my husband had just gotten out of jail, and actually he wasn't out of jail, he was... Oh yeah, I've got the bruises to prove it.
I don't think the judge is
Yeah,
really
I
gonna be
know. Well, who
on
gives
your
a shit
side
about
after
what the judge
watching
says?
these videos.
Watching the videos? Huh.
We have body cameras.
Hey, I guess they need videos too on top of everything else.
Who are you talking to?
NASA?
NASA? Huh. I seen you looking up. I was just wondering.
All right.
You ever seen Wild Hearts by Keith Urban?
Put in.
Okay.
Female 21.
I heard them. I was just starting this way anyway, and I heard the mic cue up, and I'm like, oh, that's a fight.
Can I borrow your gloves?
I got gloves.
Okay, I was gonna cry the extra gloves there yet.
Is your mic still up there in the trash?
Yeah, in the toilet.
Oh, I thought it was being dope or something.
No.
It's in the toilet.
Oh,
If you want to get statement, you can take your gloves off. We can get statement forms.
Yeah.
Take them direct forms. All right, we got 2 statement forms for you, and then I'm going to leave these here for David.
Name, address, date of birth, phone number.
Just be specific about what she did today and what was going on, and then that when we got here, we asked you if you wanted her here. You both said no. We tried to get her to leave, and then at that point, that's when she was placed under arrest for criminal trespass. Essentially, are you good?
I have no idea where they're at.
Yeah, I mean, we were pretty much under control, except like I said, getting that shawl and getting the cuffs on.
Yeah.
And that bathroom is so tiny. I was like, we're not going to the ground.
Yeah.
Like going to the ground is going to be the worst thing,
What's the chances of his camera falling in that toilet?
right?
Oh, disgusting.
Under the Fourth Amendment, a warrantless arrest inside a home requires probable cause. A private dispute over who may live there does not by itself establish it. Criminal trespass requires remaining on property without authorization. A good faith claim of residency or a leasehold negates the criminal intent the offense requires. In nearly every state, a landlord or another occupant cannot remove an established resident by force or arrest. That demands a civil eviction and a court order, not police self-help. Graham versus Connor decided in 1989 sets the fourth standard. Reasonableness turns on the severity of the offense, any immediate threat, and whether the subject actively resists. Passive resistance, such as going limp or refusing to stand, justifies only minimal control. Escalating force against a non-violent minor offense invites constitutional challenge. Tennessee versus Garner decided in 1985 frames any escalation. A taser is intermediate force and is disproportionate against a restrained subject who poses no threat. An instruction to deliberately injure a restrained person, if proven, exceeds any lawful force and supports a civil rights claim under Title 42, Section 1983, and a state battery charge. Signs of a mental health crisis trigger a duty to de-escalate. Several federal circuits also require reasonable accommodation under the Americans with Disabilities Act during a seizure. Miranda versus Arizona, decided in 1966, requires advisement of the rights to silence and counsel before custodial questioning. It does not cure an arrest that was unlawful from the start. A resisting charge often depends on a lawful arrest. Because a lease mail and stored belongings prove a possessory right, officers should verify tenancy before treating a resident as a trespasser. The key lesson is that occupancy disputes belong in housing court, not in handcuffs. Officers should confirm residency first, and a person wrongly excluded should seek a remedy through the courts, not through resistance.